Hey friends, if you wish to install DirectX 12 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, DirectX 12 is a Windows feature and you do not need to install it separately. It should be a part of your system by now. If you do not have it, then the right way to do it is not by installing it separately, but here's what you have to do. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. This will update it to the latest version. The second thing that you can do is search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Now, expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the NVIDIA GTX or RTX one, whichever you have, update it. And then update the natural adapters of your system, the integrated ones. So this is how you can install DirectX, because when you update it, these updates will automatically push DirectX to your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.